guaranteed at my soul. You've heard it all before, honest but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old, still can't fill the void.
Hey guys, Eileen went back inside to go look for her mascara, but obviously we are outside today. I am not in my normal studio because it's the you-know-what time and we are self-isolating, staying at home, and I decided to pack up all of my things and move back in with my parents temporarily. I guess we can like start or jump in because I take forever to get ready. You can start with whatever and you can use whatever I have too. I have brushes. We flip these. I have a lot of options for eyeshadow. I brought the Conspiracy palette. I brought the Tati Beauty. I brought the Mini Conspiracy, the new Nude palette. I'm thinking we're just gonna do a very light beat. And as you can see, we are outside today. You might hear the freeway because we're right next to it. You might see Kaido coming in and out of the shot from time to time. And you might see light change. The sun keeps coming in and out. So yeah, I'm just gonna start with my eyebrows. I think tomorrow or Wednesday, we would have been here an entire week, George and I, just being with my parents. George actually went back to work today. So he's at work right now.
Stop looking at me.
Are we 6?
Yes.
3. Yes. And with him is 7.
I thought I had my little spray.
What spray? Do you need spray? What kind of spray?
We got you.
I got you, girlfriend.
Here you
Primer
go. Water.
I don't have primer water, but there's this, and it's really good. It's like the gold flake one. So, Amalia, what grade are you in?
I'm a junior in high school.
You're about to be 16, 17, 18, 17. Oh.
You're supposed to remember, you're the prettiest kind of weird.
Yeah, it's like you have to stand up. You have it all in your eyes.
Nice.
Is that where you need it? You don't need it here? So the age difference between all 3 of us, 4 years between Eileen and I, and 10 years between Amalia and I.
And then how much is between you and Matthew?
14. 14? So guys, what are we getting ready for?
And photo.
We're doing a photo shoot after this. I don't think so. We're losing light here as we speak.
So we got that night.
We're ordering dinner through Eileen's boyfriend, fiance. Ooh, how is it being engaged, Eileen?
It felt different at first, but now it's just we're just waiting.
Yeah, and right now it's probably kind of hard because with everything going on, y'all can't really plan anything. I feel bad for those couples that had a wedding.
Oh my gosh, I would be devastated.
Amalia, you look dumb.
I know, that's what I'm trying to be. Orange.
I don't know anything about this foundation. This video is so casual. Eileen's calling people, texting people. She's busy. Hey. Oh my god.
I feel like
You put a lot of foundation on.
That's why I was trying to fix it and it just didn't work out.
Do you want to wipe it off?
Yes.
And start over? There's makeup wipes in there.
This is when I realized it wasn't my thing.
Oh my god! Look at her hand! Look at her hand!
I mean, it
It's
worked
okay.
in the summer.
Trust me, I had my makeup errors growing up.
But like the first week of school, I blended it
Yes.
perfect and it looked perfect.
Yeah. There's nothing in there. Are you already done? Okay, you should look up on your phone since you're done. Some like sister questions or like a sister Q&A type challenge thing that we can answer.
Who is the youngest, oldest among you? She's the oldest. Then it's me. Then it's Amalia, and then it's our little brother Matthew, who just turned 13.
13, like 3 days ago.
What do you like about your sister? I like about Catherine. I like that she's honest with me, very helpful and very nurturing, motherly type of figure. And then Amalia, I like that she's very blunt about things. I mean, sometimes I don't like it, but then once I realize what she's talking about, I'm like, yeah, I guess it makes sense.
What I like about Eileen, she can be sweet. A backhanded compliment. She can be very sweet, guys. Don't get me wrong, but she's very determined. Anything that she puts her mind to it, she'll do it. And then Amalia, she's just willing to try new things all of the time. She doesn't like really routine. She's changing it up all the time.
I don't think she notices this, or maybe she does, but when somebody steps on her toes like a little bit, she doesn't do anything. But once they overpass it too much, you say, that's whenever she puts her foot down. And I like that because she's not gonna put her foot down if it doesn't make sense and she thinks about it. But me,
yeah, she's just not gonna call you out on something if she's not 100% sure you're coming for her, George. with Monopoly.
Catherine, I don't know, you have like a mother figure personality. I see mom and then I see you and then y'all are like the same person too. She's always there. Even she lives in a whole other town, but if I call her and if I'm like in trouble, like she'll come quick and she'll be like, hey, what'd you do? Like, why'd you do that? And then she'll give my side of the story and then she'll understand, but then she'll still give me advice so that I learn.
What annoys you most about your sisters? What annoys me the most about Catherine?
Oh my God.
Once she gets in her mind that she's right, you will not get out of that. Like, period. You will just stop talking because it would just not be worth it in Monopoly.
Listen,
again.
but I'm right. How much of the time?
Like
90% of the time. That 10%
But that
is more of like,
10%.
I don't want to be wrong, even though I know I'm wrong. I mean, if I know I'm wrong, I'll admit to it. But
later, after 30 minutes of fighting.
not fighting, because I really legit think I'm always right. You can't blame me for that.
Yeah, you can. Because you're not always right. What annoys me about Amalia? Everything. Okay, I got it. She takes my stuff all the time. And the one time that I take one thing from her, like, she holds it against me.
What annoys me about Eileen? Where do I even start?
Nothing.
I can't really think of anything, really.
I'm not annoying in one way.
I mean, I'm sure you are, but I can't think of it. Now, Amalia.
Excuse me.
I mean, we never really butt heads, but that's probably due to your personality of like saying I think or I know I'm right. Like, you'll probably just say, whatever, just let her have it, That's probably due to your personality, that nothing really annoys me, except for the fact that you can be sensitive sometimes.
I am sensitive.
Sensitive.
I'm a Cancer.
Sensitive, but like the thing is that
Water
most of the time you're not sensitive. Like, you're not a Cancer whatsoever.
I feel like I am. Like,
But
anything.
like, there's like little things. We could be calling you a billion and one things.
Well, I think that's because like I've been watching a lot of like zodiac type stuff and
Yeah.
like the sun and the moon. I don't believe it, but it's interesting to me.
Yeah, to me too.
Because it literally, if you like put the sun and the moon, the signs together, and you read what they say about a Cancer during that time,
Yeah.
it literally is me. One of the things that they said is we hold back so much, and then once we're full, then we tip over, and that's when we explode.
Explode. But the thing is that it's like on rare occasion. I mean, the last time we really fought was last summer.
But then before that, it was like years.
Before that, it's been like since we were kids. No, we've never really gotten physical with each other. Except for that one time. When we were not kids, but we were teenagers.
I was in my room, and you came into my room for something.
No, I was in my room. Because that
that
room
was your
me.
room.
Yeah.
So, and then I went into her room, and we were talking about something. We were butting heads. I don't know what was going on with the conversation.
I'm pretty sure it was like the stupidest thing that we were fighting over.
Yeah, because I can't even remember. And so we're just there fighting, but with words. And then out of nowhere, I just get so emotional, and I don't know what to do with myself. So I go and like try and punch her, and Catherine grabs my arms and she's like, "Don't ever try that." And I was like, and I didn't care that she was getting mad at me. Like, she was holding me back. I was like,
I was holding her back because I did not want to hit her. I was like, if I hit this girl, I am going to hurt her, and Mom is going to murder me. Because growing up, between me and her, she was the favorite. Now it's kind of reversed because I'm out of the house. Yeah. So
we'll see when I'm out.
all right, I pinned her down on my bed, I remember, and I was on top of her. I was like, don't ever try to hit me ever again, because you will get your A beat. Yeah, I think I remember. You said something to me, and then I cussed at you for some reason, and we would never cuss. Growing up, we never cussed. So I was like, I don't know what I told her, but I cussed at her, and she's like, don't cuss at me! She tried to punch me, and I'm like, this little girl, and I just pinned her down because she was going crazy. I had never seen her like that. I was like, finally she gave up, and I was like, I'm going to let you go, but I need you to walk out of my room, because if you don't walk out of my room, I will punch back. And then she was like, just let me go. Just let me go. I was like, I'm warning you. Get out. I don't remember. Did Mom get involved?
Yeah, she did. And she's like, ¿por qué le estás pegando a la niña? ¿Qué te hizo?
I was like, what? To this day, she still holds that over me. She's like, you remember when you were hitting Eileen? I was like, I did not touch her. She tried touching me.
No, but me and Amalia have.
Really?
Yeah. I think it was only one time too. Like the
Were
other
y'all
time.
pulling hair or were y'all punching?
No, I was
She
punching.
swung at me, like how she swing. She swung at me.
So you swing. So y'all see this innocent little poised little thing right here? She swings.
That's the thing. She's an instigator.
Yeah. Oh, if there's anyone that can push my buttons to the limit, is this one.
Because we're Leos.
Oh yeah, we're literally a week apart. That's why we butt heads so much.
And I'm a Scorpio. Like one of my signs is a Scorpio.
But she hasn't done it in a long time. She's calmed. She's calmed down a lot.
You know what? What annoys me about both of y'all, that y'all have similar, is that y'all get mad at me for doing stuff that y'all do sometimes and y'all don't even notice. And me and Matthew are sitting there
Like what?
Like-
We're perfect. I don't stomp off and I don't go slamming doors nowhere.
we don't even slam our doors.
You used to. Not recently. Not recently because you haven't been playing with us.
It's Georgie. Can you check if it's still recording? Say hi to the vlog.
What's up, everybody? That's it.
What do you do for fun?
Like all of us play Monopoly. Even though we get mad, but we're getting better. I feel like we're getting better at not getting mad at Monopoly.
I stopped.
Whose room is a mess? Both of y'all's. Catherine's beauty room is a mess, and Amalia's actual room is a mess. I'm the only clean one. Oh my gosh. I have lived with both of them in the same room. I was the only one that would clean up the room.
yeah.
The room. Amalia would have clothes everywhere. You could not see the floor. Same with Catherine. She had clothes everywhere
And
because
also the top one.
she was like, for a while. But there was a time that we had the two beds like alongside each other, and it was the most annoyingest thing because I love keeping a room clean and organized, but they don't. But the thing is, the difference between their messiness is that Catherine is a clean, messy person, and Amalia is a dirty, messy person.
Who needs 30 forks in her room?
And I
Or
don't even eat in my room.
spoons? Why do you need them in your room? Why do you take them?
It's because they unlock my door.
What's your sister's favorite food?
Okay, you answer for Amalia, Amalia answers for me, and I'll answer for you.
Okay. Amalia's favorite food.
Ooh, what color is it? Ooh, this is not what I thought it was gonna be.
What do I always ask for? And say I won't pay half of it and never pay half of it.
I don't know.
Wings.
Oh, wings. She likes wing stuff.
Boneless wings.
And Amalia, answer for Catherine.
I think like anything pasta related. Because she's always making like lasagna.
Ooh, baby girl, where are you going? With these chola vibes. Okay, what's my favorite? Well, it's because I really don't have a favorite. I eat anything that's good. If it's good, I'll eat it. It doesn't matter what kind it is. I do have a favorite. Okay, from what country? Or like what?
Mexican.
Italian.
Nope.
American.
Asian.
Yes. I love Asian cuisine.
Oh yeah, you do.
I love it.
She likes going to like sushi stuff, raw fish. Yeah. Every time I see her on Facebook, I'm
Sushi,
like,
Korean barbecue,
That is true.
Japanese food. Oh, I swear I was Asian in my past life.
and what is my
For
favorite
you,
food?
Chick-fil-A.
You
The
get to eat
spicy
this.
deluxe with pepper jack cheese. Don't forget the Chick-fil-A sauce.
With what type of drink?
A
Coke.
Arnold Palmer.
One thing you can do which your sister can't. I can't cook. What's a weird habit of your sister? Oh, Amalia, like I don't know where she got this from. She goes like this. Every time she's moving her wrist or anything, she's like,
That's
and then
she
grabs
like that
something.
flick of the wrist.
It's
And
not me.
And then she goes, that's a weird
I
habit.
would always do this because of the meme, because it would be like, but then I ended up getting used to it, so I was just like.
Okay guys, between the lawnmowers and the camera actually needed charge as well, so we are back to end the video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We don't know if it cut off at any point. So thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed the Q&A, getting to know us maybe a little bit better. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!